Welcome to Autochat by Indus Automation Labs. In this video, we'll walk through the full Autochat pilot setup from first launch all the way to daily use. Autochat is built for small and medium businesses that handle customer questions on WhatsApp. Things like prices, stock, product options, delivery, payment methods, and orders. This is a working pilot build under active development, prepared for real store parallel testing. So the goal is simple: show you exactly what matters, what to click, and what you can safely ignore for now. When Autochat opens for the first time, it should take you to the setup wizard. This is the best place to start because most features depend on setup being completed first. Don't skip this screen. It connects your license, AI model, business profile, product catalog, WhatsApp account, and operating mode. The first part is the license check. If Indus Automation Labs has already given you a license key, paste it here and verify it. If you're using a pilot or trial account, the app may continue with limited usage. The trial is not unlimited, so if replies stop later, come back to the license screen and check your status. Next is the AI setup. Autochat uses OpenRouter for text replies, so you need to enter the OpenRouter API key and select the model that Indus Automation Labs recommends for your account. Without this key, the app can still open, but real AI replies will not work properly. Now enter the basic business profile. This is where Autochat learns your business name, location, shop timings, website, shipping policy, and payment information. Keep this accurate. Autochat should never invent price, stock, timing, delivery, or payment details that you haven't verified. After that, add your products. You can import a product file, use a template, or add products later from the product screen. Good product data makes the whole system better. If the catalog is empty or messy, Autochat may ask more clarification questions instead of giving direct answers. Now, connect WhatsApp. Click the QR or reconnect option if needed, then open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Link Devices, and choose Link a Device. Scan the QR code shown on Autochat. Once WhatsApp is connected, live chats, drafts, orders, and automation can start working. The final setup choice is the operating mode. For a new business pilot, the safest setup is auto reply on and approval mode on. That means Autochat can prepare replies, but a human can review them before they go out. This is important during early testing. It keeps a human in the loop and prevents the system from sending something wrong before the business owner checks it. After setup, the dashboard is your home screen. Start here whenever you want to check if Autochat is ready. The status pills tell you the main condition of the app, whether WhatsApp is connected, whether your license or trial is active, and what mode the system is running in. If WhatsApp is disconnected, click reconnect/show QR and scan again from WhatsApp linked devices. If you need to change the WhatsApp account, use disconnect current WhatsApp first, then reconnect with the new number. Refresh does not reconnect WhatsApp. For WhatsApp problems, use the dashboard connection buttons. The trial area tells you, in simple terms, how much free usage is left. For example, how many free conversations or AI replies remain. You may also see a send test message panel on this screen. That is mainly a developer testing tool, not something a normal business user needs for daily work, so you can ignore it during real operation. You saw a quick version of this during setup. Business settings is the fuller version. This is where Autochat learns what business it is speaking for, so it needs to be filled carefully. Enter the business name, brand name, website, location, Google Maps link, shop timings, business type, and shipping policy. These details are used in customer replies, so keep them clear and up to date. If your shop timing changes, update it here instead of expecting Autochat to guess. Now, check the payment methods: cash on delivery, bank transfer, online payment, or card payment, depending on what your business actually accepts. Then check auto reply and approval mode. Auto reply off means Autochat will save incoming messages but not reply automatically. Approval mode on means AI replies can appear as drafts first, so a human can approve them before sending. API settings controls the AI connection. For most users, the important part is simple: your OpenRouter API key and the selected model. If the key is missing or wrong, Autochat cannot generate proper AI replies. The reply language is controlled from the EN and UD switch near the top of the app. EN means English, UD means Roman Urdu. This affects normal AI replies and supported voice replies. Use the language your customers normally message in. You may also see voice features here. Voice replies are optional and more advanced. Local voice replies can be used if they are configured, but voice note transcription is still coming soon. For normal text automation, you don't need to touch the advanced voice settings. Products are one of the most important parts of Autochat. This is the catalog the AI uses when customers ask about price, stock, categories, sizes, links, and product details. You can download a CSV template, import products from CSV or JSON, append new products, replace the catalog, export the catalog, search products, refresh the list, or add one product manually. If you are starting fresh, the template is usually the safest way to prepare your product file. For each product, the name is required. Add the category, price, stock status description, product URL, and tags. Stock status matters. If something is available, Autochat can answer confidently. If stock should be confirmed first, mark it that way. If it is unavailable, don't leave it as available. Your product data directly controls the quality of customer replies. Chats is a daily use inbox. This is where staff will spend most of their time after setup. Click Refresh Chats, choose a customer, and you'll see the conversation history that Autochat has captured. Autochat does not reply to old WhatsApp history from before the app was connected. It focuses on new incoming messages. So if the chat list looks empty at first, send a fresh message from a customer number and then refresh. From here, you can send a manual reply directly. This is useful when the owner or staff wants to answer personally. If voice replies are configured, you may also see a send manual as voice option. Use that only when your business wants to send a voice note instead of text. For sensitive conversations, click Pause Autochat for this customer. That stops automation for that person and keeps the conversation under human control. When you are ready to let automation continue, click Return this customer to Autochat. This is one of the safest ways to keep a human in charge when a customer needs special attention. If approval mode is on, AI replies may appear under pending AI drafts instead of going out automatically. Review the draft, edit it if needed, then send it as voice if enabled, or reject it. This is the recommended pilot workflow because it lets the business check the AI before the customer sees the reply. Customer memory is where you can save notes for a specific customer. For example, preferences, address details, past order notes, or warnings. Keep this practical and business related. These notes help Autochat respond with better context for that customer only. Training inbox is where Autochat asks for help. If a customer asks something that looks like a business question, but Autochat does not know the correct answer, it can create a training item instead of guessing. This is exactly what you want in a cautious pilot. If the system is unsure, it asks the business. Read the customer's question, then type the correct business answer. Choose how to save it. If it is only for this customer one time, choose the one-time option. If it should teach Autochat for the future, save it as FAQ, policy, product knowledge, general business knowledge, or customer memory. If the answer should go to the customer now, keep the send option checked, then save or send. Business knowledge is a saved knowledge base created from training. Here you can refresh knowledge, review saved questions and answers, see their type and tags, and delete items if needed. Be careful deleting knowledge because it can reduce answer quality later. Orders shows WhatsApp orders that Autochat captured automatically. It is not a full accounting or inventory system, but it is useful for tracking basic customer orders from chat. An order is created only when the conversation has enough information: items, customer name, phone number, address, and payment method. If something is missing, Autochat should ask the customer for the missing details instead of creating an incomplete order. Once an order appears here, you can update its status to new, processing, completed, or canceled. Supplier desk is only for businesses that work with outside suppliers or need internal stock confirmation. If your business does not use suppliers, you can skip this screen. If you do use suppliers, this area helps create a supplier case, prepare a supplier query, paste the supplier's reply, and generate a customer-safe update. Supplier costs and private supplier details should stay hidden from customers. This feature is useful, but it is more manual and not something every business needs on day one. The license screen controls trial and license usage. Here you can see the device ID, activate an online license, verify a license, or check your current status. Licenses are device-bound, so the license is linked to this computer. If purchase is enabled for your account, you can use purchase license. Fill in your details, apply a voucher if you have one, choose a payment method, upload payment proof, and submit the request. Approval is manual from Indus Automation Labs, so after submitting, use check purchase status later. In trial mode, usage is limited, so licensing matters before using Autochat as a regular daily tool. Before we finish, there are a few support areas you should know about, but you probably won't use them every day. Help and bugs is for support codes, bug reports, and basic recovery. Health Center checks whether WhatsApp, license, storage, products, setup, and API connections are working. Backup and restore is for protecting business data before updates or risky changes. Security Center is mainly an admin area for license and security events, so normal users do not need to manage it during daily operation. For everyday use, focus on dashboard, business settings, products, chats, training inbox, orders, and license. Autochat works best when the business keeps product data accurate, reviews AI drafts carefully, and uses human approval whenever a reply needs extra care. That's the complete Autochat walkthrough for a pilot business. Start with setup, connect WhatsApp, keep products and business settings accurate, review drafts in chats, and teach Autochat through the training inbox whenever it needs help.